Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. I am Shirel Salaberria. I'm 29 years old. I am single mom. I have 2 kids, 5 years old and 10 years old. I finished high school graduate.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I finished 2 years contract in Saudi Arabia.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
My duties and responsibilities in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper by taking care of 85 years old woman. Healthy.
Male or female?
Female.
Okay. Such as
Cleaning the house, give him a medicine, take care of her.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
I can take care. I'm willing to take care of children, and I will.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
By giving them food, by cooking, taking care of them by make them clean, healthy.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I can cook, wash dishes, wash clothes.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Honest, multitasking, take care of my employer.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I can promise you to finish my contract by 2 years. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.